how much does this have to do with upcoming earnings results for Netflix?
Well, it certainly raises the question, is this big run-up in the stock we're seeing excitement ahead of earnings, which are just 2 weeks away, or is it speculation about a takeover? Perhaps a combination of both. Check out the way the stock has performed in the recent days, and you'll see it's up roughly 10% just in the past week, as Yvonne mentioned, up as much as, it was up as much as 5% at the highest point, closed with a gain of over 4%, but that's the highest since May. Yes, there's takeover speculation out there. One analyst with Drexel Hamilton says speculation has been linked to Walt Disney, and he recommends buying the stock. There also could be investors buying ahead of a perhaps windfall if there is a deal, or buying to cover short sales before earnings are released. That would be on October 17th. But some analysts point out that Netflix has not shown it wants to be acquired. That's an important factor. There's also a lot of speculation about Twitter. There's been takeover chatter on that stock. It was also up about 4% on the day. So the social media space, very active.
All right, so what's the allure for a buyer there?
Well, it's either on the content side or subscriber base. And as we head into earnings, there's a lot of focus on subscriber growth. Is it starting to slow? If you take a look at a BTV chart we've got for you, check out hashtag BTV3969. You'll see growth is still showing gains, particularly on the far right, but not as much as before. They are much smaller gains. Investors are wary of signs of further slowing growth, and that's after a weak second quarter. Stay tuned. A lot of action ahead.